If we now click on New Document, first thing it's going to take you into is the ability to give it a title, so naming whatever the brochure is going to be. Enable the diary if you wish, which is a facility at the back of the brochure, and that will allow you to have images, audio and video within that diary. So potentially, say an accountant might want to put in there an element such as when tax returns are due. Could be a property company wanting to put a diary facility in of when a property is available, when it's booked. So really nice facility there to add a facility in the back for a diary. Select the number of pages, and then what sort of format and size do you want? It's a whole range of sizes, and we've got obviously a table, as you can see we've clicked on here, just to show you the different size specs as well. The button colour and obviously furniture controls, any video controls, you can set those. And then you can set the background colours as well. If you want to load a logo up, which will brand the software as yours, that will go top left on the vehicle. And then you can put a URL underneath as well, so when they click on that logo it goes to a particular site. We just go back by clicking My Account. We'll show you this one in here, which is called Marketing Brochure. We've uploaded various bits to it, so we're just going to click View initially, show you how it looks. The first thing you'll see is we've left the front page blank, so we're going to show you how easy it is to add a page. To the left of the brochure you've got instructions, the option obviously for someone to remove those instructions, but it pretty much tells a client how to turn on video and audio, it tells them how to turn the pages, how to zoom in and out. Some very useful instructions really. As you can see, you can click to turn the pages, you can click and drag, you can use the arrow keys on the keyboard, or even the buttons underneath the brochure. So every option's available really to help somebody navigate the brochure as they go. You can see we're just flicking through here how straightforward it is. So you can see at the top we've got a whole range of controls. First one we're on here is share, the ability to zoom in and zoom out, select the page numbers, so an index sort of sheet. If you put an index at the front of the brochure, you can put internal hyperlinks. Thumbnails, the ability to edit. It's only showing edit because we're logged in and it's our account. Customers wouldn't see that. And where it says your logo, you could have your own logo. And you can make the background colours exactly as you wish with colour swash or a hex colour that you've got. Below the brochure you'll see we're hovering over the attachments, and they could be Word docs, Excel, PowerPoint, text. It's really up to you. Could be a PDF of the brochure, it's possibly discount vouchers, coupons, those sort of elements that people would put, possibly contracts and so on. If we just click edit, this takes us into these 10 pages. As you can see, here are the 10-page thumbnails. What we're able to do, got 8 pages in there, we're just going to move the pages around to show you that you can format very simply, just literally a drag and drop facility. If we want to change any bits within the brochure, let's say adding text, all we do is click on the first text button, we would type some text into the box, so in this case we're typing welcome. We're going to then click, drag and drop onto the page. Then we're going to close this box down. When we click on the text now, what you'll see a bar above the brochure that gives you a whole range of formatting options. So whether we want to change the font, the size, the colour, all the elements you'd expect to be able to change. If we just click on these handles here to move the brochure, here we go. Text on the page now, move the welcome over slightly. Maybe we want to rotate it a little bit. So you can add quite a few effects to it. Now looking up at the top, if we go to something like a background colour because it's a text box, you can see that it really does allow you to format this text and text box in any way you like. So quite typically companies will upload their PDF files and then over the top they will add elements. You can see here we're able to link it to a page within the brochure if we wish, and also to add links on. So once you click on it, all of the functionality really comes into play. So you'll have just seen on the box there, we could have given it rollover text as well, so that as the mouse moves over it, it has a certain message showing. Second option down really is adding images. Various ways to add images. You can individually upload them or batch upload them. What you'll have seen we've done is uploaded from a PDF file, and the system has converted the PDF into high resolution images, and really it's a case then of just click, drag and drop to put those images onto a page. So if we click on one of these images now, move it across, it just shows you quite how straightforward it is. And as I say, the companies who've got existing PDF brochures, information they send out as big attachments, they can instantly be put straight in. And you can use your arrow keys on your keyboard then to move it around rather than dragging, which tends to be bigger strokes. And that'll mean you can line everything up perfectly. There is also a little grid option above the black bar you'll see on the page, should you need a grid to help line things up. If we just click back in here then to uploading images, we'll give you the 3 different ways you can upload an image. Showing by here, if we click browse and then upload, that will be an individual uploader. If we click the advanced batch uploader, we can then drag and drop effectively dozens of images, hundreds of images into what's effectively a Java box. And then we've got the option to select a PDF, where the system will convert that PDF into high resolution images, which we can drag and drop onto the page once uploaded. Very simple procedure. We can see the other buttons for adding video, audio and attachments. Obviously these show you the attachments that are on there, so an Excel file, a discount voucher, a PDF and a Word doc. Anything really that you want the user to be able to download. We can change the text for the bottom that goes to the attachments. And again, it's as simple as browsing and uploading the file once you select it on your computer.